Guys, what's up? It's James. I'm making this white noise video. I know you can't really see the game I'm playing, but if you want to get it, I'll leave a link in the description below. It's kind of already freaking me out because it says to enhance gameplay, play with the lights off and volume all the way up. So, I'm not gonna do that. I have a sound bar and it's gonna get loud as hell, and we'll just wake up the whole neighborhood. And I'm not gonna play with the lights off because I'm home alone, and I already played a Slenderman game earlier, and I'm scared as shit. So do not judge me. Okay, so in this game you have to find all 8 tape recorders. And if I do talk after any of this time, I'm talking to my friend on Xbox Live. And you have to find 8 tape recorders to beat the game. Even though I only have the trial and I can only find 3. So, let's see how loud I'll scream. Wait, what? Yeah, the page name is James Buffkin. Oh my god, I'm scared. Zach, I am very scared. Like, you don't even know how scared I am right now. Are you the only one awake? Dude, how can't I... Dude, I cannot find this tape. Wow. Ah! Oh my god, I can't run. Oh my god, I can't run. No. This game is scary as ever. Dude, if you don't like Slenderman, you will not like this game at all. There's a tape back there, but I'm not turning around because he's probably right behind me. I learned to never turn around in this horror game. Like, never look behind you because they're usually either right behind you. Oh, dude. I'm freaking out. You have no idea. I'll figure out how to do that later, Zach. Ah! Oh god, the light's flickering. Shit. Ah! Yeah. Oh my god. Dude, this is freaky. So freaky. Well, I'm on the road, so that can't be a bad thing. Dude, I'm freaking scared. Ah! What? Oh my god. Oh no. No, you got me messed up. I am not going inside that building. I don't care if there's a tape in there. I am not going inside that building. You got me messed up. Dude, I'm scared. Dude, I haven't seen him. No. Okay, look behind me. He's not there. Oh, dude. I'm at the graveyard. Are you serious? Why does there have to be a graveyard? Oh! Oh! Dude, where is he? Oh my god, I hear a cave. I just can't find it. It's not over there. Oh! Oh! Oh god. Please don't kill me, Mr. Monster. Oh my god. Oh jeez. Oh my god, I'm scared. Zach, I'm freaking out. Why the hell is there a head in the ground? There's a head in the ground. There is a head. Why is there a head? There's 4 heads. Ah! Ah, ah, ah! Okay, guys, that was White Noise. For Xbox, it's pretty easy. You can download a free trial of it on indie games. But yeah, that's my White Noise video. Subscribe, like the video, share it on Facebook. If you want to see videos of me and a friend in a couple of weeks, subscribe to him. What's your name, Zach? What's your YouTube name? Subscribe to Zach Bergman. Subscribe to me. Share it on Facebook. Like the video. Leave a comment below. I will leave a link in the description for you dummies that don't know how to download it. Deuces.